What is going on, guys? It's your man James, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a very simple way to do affiliate marketing with ClickBank. This is both a simple way and also a genius way, and you will see exactly why that is. And so here we are in ClickBank's marketplace, and we're looking for some offers to promote. And when you're starting out, you want to be sticking to the three main niches, and this is make money online, finance, investing, that kind of niche. Okay, and this includes e-business, e-marketing. It also includes employment and jobs, work from home, business investings. Stay away from betting systems. Stay away from these two. These are kind of like niche areas. I would really not recommend you kind of go in here. And then the second area that you should be focusing on, at least that is an area I recommend you to focusing on, especially if you're a beginner just starting out, is the health niches, right? Health and fitness. There's a couple of other categories in there. They're all over the place, really. But the main one is health and fitness, staying fit, working out, getting a six-pack, losing weight, keeping weight off, stuff like that, right? This is all health and fitness. And last but not least, this is probably one of my favorite niches. Maybe I talked about this before in some of the other videos, is self-help. I really like self-help. I don't know if you guys like self-help. Maybe a lot of people are not really familiar with self-help because a lot of people are focusing on make money online. And if you are not really familiar with self-help, but you need like me to kind of expand on it a little bit, talk a little bit about it more, let me know in the comments below and I'll make like a more detailed video why I think this is a really good niche. So here I am in self-help, and what I typically like to do is I want to go into gravity, I want to do high and low, and I'm looking at offers that sell. Now you guys got to understand a couple of things. There are offers that sell, and there are also offers that are going to be easy to promote. There could be just offers that sell. So for instance, you can have, let's say, this Trump 2020 gold-plated coin. You can do that, but that's going to be a little bit trickier to promote. I mean, I know really good ways of promoting it, but this is politics. You have to be very careful when you're promoting it, especially when it comes to paid traffic source. Also with free traffic sources, it's going to be a little bit messy, but it is a good offer. And so what you guys want to be looking at is you want to be looking at offers that are not too controversial. This is really good. When you're starting out, you don't want to do politics. You don't want to do controversial offers. You just want to stick to offers that are helping people, right? That are, helping. Because self-help is about helping people. I have no idea why this offer is even here in the first place. And so we have his secret obsession here. We also have water freedom system. I have no idea what this is, why it's even here. The X Factor guy, text chemistry. This is an offer I talked about many times. If you're an OG on this channel, I talked about this offer years ago, and I still think it's a great offer. Gravity 51. I think it was a little bit lower before. It has improved. We have manifestation code, the lost two ways, obsession method, stuff like that. And so what we're going to be focusing on today is we're going to be looking at dating offers. I had some people request that I talk about some dating offers, and so that is exactly what I'm going to be doing today. And I'm going to be showing you a method, and so you can take some of the ideas here in this method and go out and implement in another method, pretty much in any niche you want, any vertical. But I recommend this kind of vertical. I recommend you guys familiarize yourself with this kind of vertical. And so let's say we pick this first offer, his secret obsession. And so you guys got to understand what this offer is about. This offer is for women who want men to like them, who want relationship, who want men to obsess them over with. So while you can watch this video, and I recommend you guys watch this video, what we're going to do is we're going to skip to the text presentation here. And in 5 seconds, we immediately understand what this offer is. It says here, it's something he craves, right? We have a picture of a loving couple. More than love, more than money, more than that. And the craziest part is, etc., right? So this is for women that want to attract a man. Maybe this is for women that are just starting out with dating. They've been in relationships. They're just getting back on the market, so to speak. Or it's women who have been on the market, but they're not having a lot of good results. They're not having a lot of luck. And that is another market for this kind of offer. And so this, you guys can read this, and I highly recommend you read the sales letter, because this is really all about the psychology when it comes to selling the software. And so if you can understand the sales letter, you can get inside the mind of the person, the woman, the target market, the target audience who we are trying to sell this product to. And if we scroll down, we're gonna see add to cart. And I want to see how much it is. So I'm gonna click over to add to cart, and it's $47. So not too expensive. It's not like a $2,000 course or a $1,000 course or a $500, $600 course. It's actually a very, very affordable product. Plus, they probably have upsells, downsells, etc., etc. Now, what a lot of people do is they take a link here and they directly link to the traffic they're sending, right? They take this ClickBank offer and they funnel traffic here. We don't want to do that. We want to be a little bit smarter, okay? What we want to do, guys, is we want to go to Google or Bing. I've been using Bing a lot, and they're kind of very similar, so it doesn't really matter. And you want to type dating compatibility quiz, okay? We want to engage the audience. We want to engage the women, and we don't want, we want to create a quiz, but we do not want to, make up this quiz on our own. We want to see what's already working. And the way you can tell that things are working is there, if you type this, you're going to see quizzes on the first page. And the reason they're in the first page is that they have a lot of links from other sites, other authoritative sites. That's number one. Number two is a lot of people click through on these and they stay and they take the quiz. And Google deems these sites as important. And that is why it ranks them above all the other sites. And so if you open, let's say this quiz here, and any of these on the first page are fine. We're just going to open this one. We have 3 factors, and now we have the quiz here. Now, if you look at this quiz, you will see that this is not just some random, run-of-the-mill quiz. This is actually a pretty decent quiz. Like, take a look at this question. Does your lover understand that you may need to spend quality time with others? And this is actually a really good question. You want to buy a jacket, but you need an extra $60. Would you ask your partner for that money? These are actually really good questions. And really, gets these women who we're targeting to think. It gets them to think. You were drunk and you did something wrong. Would you confess to your partner, right? This is actually pretty good questions. I really like this question, actually. Very, very cool question here. And so what we can do is we can take these questions and format them in a way where we can engage the target audience instead of just, passing that ClickBank link around the whole internet, right? Spamming the whole internet with it like people typically do. And so the next thing you guys want to do is you want to go to Bing or Google or, whichever search engine you prefer, and type Arengu, right? This is what you have to type. You're going to go to the first result, and you're going to be build sign-up flows with any stack. Create advanced sign-up forms on top of your current API or identity provider. Visually build UI, logic, and automations for them. So we're going to, you guys can just click on try it for free. They have a very, very generous free plan. I'm going to click log in, because I already have an account. And now I'm logged into my account. Here I'm in the free plan, it says. And we can create a form. We're going to create the form. And when we do that, we have various templates. We can start from scratch, or we have all of these templates here. And so I can create a form using one of these templates here, which makes it really, really nice. We don't want the login flow. We have other flows. So we have sign up flows. We don't want sign up. We do not want data verification. We do not want login payment flows. That's not what we want. We just want a simple form, right? So we have lead generation. So maybe lead generation, newsletter. Let's try lead generation. So if we click on it, this is what it looks like, right? It's a little bit complex. So why don't we just do a blank form, okay? Just keep it simple. Use this template, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Very simple, guys. You just drag and drop this text right here, and then you can just create your questions. Now, if you go back to this compatibility test, it's fairly long, right? So we have how many questions? We have like, 20 questions? Yeah, 19 questions. That is a lot, okay? We don't need 19 questions. We just need 5 questions. 3 to 5 questions. So this could be question 1, and then you have your answer here, and then you can come here, and then you can simply, you can click clone here, And then question 2 could be something else. Now you want to probably name these IDs as question 1, so that way it's easy to kind of, save things. And then you can clone it. So I'm going to clone it. And now I have 5 questions. So this is question 3. This is question 4. This is question 5. All right. So now we have our quiz, or a kind of a questionnaire. And the other thing you guys can do is you can have your text. So it says here, rich text. You can do HTML. You can do rich text. You can put that here. And then you can label it. You can just, whatever. You could put some text here. And you can make it anything that you want. You can make it H1, H2. That's what rich text means. And you want to hit publish, because publish essentially means saving. Okay? You want to do that. Compatible dating questionnaire. Something like this, right? And that's kind of all you have. And then when they hit submit, right? This is our submit. This can create a workflow, right? You have this ending screen. And it says, thank you, your form has been submitted successfully. You can do that. So now you can say, you can hit plus, you can list their questions, their answers and all that. Or what you guys can do is you can do redirection, redirect to URL. So it says here, display thank you block. And then after 5 seconds, you can redirect. You are being thank you. Now you're being redirected to a great offer. Or you can have something like this. We have something special for you. Now you're being redirected to a great offer. And then after 5 seconds, we're going to go back to ClickBank, go in here and hit promote, hit generate hop links here. And we have the hop link. We're going to save that. We're going to go back and have that. Now you have the link here. So now you can hit publish. And the beautiful thing about it is that you can hit preview and you can see what it looks like. Okay, these are all the questions here. You can make it multiple pages if you want. It's really up to you. You can go here to embed, and you can embed it all of these great ways here, this form. And then you can look at submissions. Okay, so whenever anybody's going to be submitting this form, you're going to see their results here. And the next thing you guys want to do is you want to go in here, you want to hit preview, and now you have the form. And now you can submit this form any way you want. You can go out with this link and you can share it. You can go to forums, you can go to communities, you can go to so many places, and you can share it with people and you're going to be providing value. Okay, and we honestly do not care about the actual answers that they submit. So if we go back to this form, we do not care about their answers. If you guys want to take into account their answers and create a more customizable result page, you can do that if you want, but that is not something we're going to be doing here, simply because that is not the purpose here. The purpose is to engage the audience and then redirect them to the offer, which is exactly what we're doing. So if we click on here and we answer it, okay, so I just answer, I hit submit. It says, we have something special for you, thank you. And now we're going to get redirected to our ClickBank offer. As you can see right here, this is our ClickBank offer. This is our landing page. And so this is a very, very smart way of doing affiliate marketing using a compatibility test or a compatibility questionnaire. And obviously you can use this method for a lot of different niches, but obviously one of the best is self-help, because that is more of a psychological angle. That is more of an angle where these questionnaires work the most effective, at least in my experience. All right, guys. So that is the method I wanted to show you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this method. Give me a fat like. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this video and want to see more of them. Let me know what you think about this method in the comment box below. And I will talk to you guys in a future video.